It's Ruby eating her morning grain. And we got Mr. Finnegan. Hi, Finn. Good morning, my lovey. And we got Shorty. Hi, Shorty. I love you. And we got Mr. Jake. Hi, babies. Everybody's soaked because it is raining. Move over here. We got Rolo. Is that yummy? He doesn't like to be filmed. Hi. Or he won't let me film him eating. And Lexi, she already ate all hers. This is my beauty. One of our beauties. And this is my lovely lady, Lily. Hi, mamas. Is that good? Love you. And I've already fed everybody else. So there's 7 of them that I bring in. Yesterday I did post Ollie, Cherokee, and Spicy. Cannoli already ate. Okay, have a great day.